No, 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 no.
Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Easily channel. This is the video I'm making Learn English. I hope you watched my previous video how to speak in English, how to learn English. Here in this video I am going to show you how to start reading English. In the previous video I made listen English in TV every day 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. Watch a story every day for 1 or 2 months or 3 months to learn English quickly. And then I give you the suggestions that try to speak some simple sentences in your language to learn English. Now the problem is, after learning English, the reading, how we have to start reading. We are listening English in TV and story and in with others. Now we have to read English. To read English, first we should know the language English. Here the language made up of sounds first. To read the language, first we should know the sounds of that language. Here English has the sounds, then letters and words and sentences. Every language, it may be Kannada or Telugu or Tamil, that language made up of sounds called phonetics, then letters, then words and then sentences. To read in English, first we should know the sounds in English, then letters, then automatically the words and sentences it will come. Now let's move on to the sounds in English. There are 44 sounds in English. There are 44 sounds in English. In that 20 vowel sounds. There are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. I am not saying about letters here, I am saying about sounds. There are 44 sounds, then 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonants sounds. Means in English language altogether have 44 sounds. Here I am pronouncing those sounds. That sounds may be not clear, that 44 sounds, but I am trying to give that actual sounds to you. Okay, listen to the sounds of English. B, K, D, F, G, H, J, A, N, P, R, S, T, V, W, E, J, Ing, Z, Ch, Sh, T, D, A, E, A, U, I, E, ear, O, U, O, I, Ha, O, A, R, or, air, ear, ur, qu, ew, x, or x. Now let's move on to after sounds, that is letters. The letters are called as alphabet. You know how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. In that, 5 vowel letters and 21 consonants. Here 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U and remaining are all consonant letters. You know the difference between sounds and letters. Here there are 5 vowels in English alphabet and 21 consonant letters. See, now let's see the letters. A, apple, ant, B, ball. Watch, Xbox, Y, yellow, and Z, zoo. These are all the letters in English. If you know the letters, then you can start making words. Then see here, to practice your reading, what you have to do? You have to read newspapers, you have to read pamphlets, you have to read books, you have to read science, you have to read stories. Here reading starts with letters. After letters reading, try to read the simple words in signboards like no parking, door, window, turn, right, left, then color names red, white, blue, green, then day names Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then months January, February, March, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After reading of all these simple things, then go to read more authentic materials, like more the things you will get in your home, like chocolate paper, chocolate names, then soap names, toothpaste names, then biscuit pocket names, what are the biscuits you are eating. Just read the letters and read the name of that biscuit pack, or read the name of the chocolate, then read the name of the soap you are using, spell the words, spell the letters on the wrappers. You do this first. After that, you go to read stories. Go to books, get some story books, that's stories for kids. Start reading stories. Especially the stories made or kids story books are very very good to start reading practice, because there they are using very simple sentences. It is very easy to read. Okay, if you are following my last video steps, if you are listening to stories, if you are listening to cartoon channels, or if you are listening news and all, then if you are start reading, it will be very very good to learn. You have to read story books, then newspapers. Newspaper is nothing but don't read all the full, just go with the headings. Then signboards. There are many signboards we are watching. Post office, railway station, bus stand, bank, like this. Read the stores names. Then signboards, no parking, take right, take left. Okay, like that. Read all the signboards. Then pamphlets, what you are getting. Then the books. Start reading and make practice. Okay, I hope you get a plan how to start reading. First, you learn letters, then start reading simple words in your home, the chocolate names, then soap names, like that. Then go with a simple story books. Then definitely you will be able to start reading. Don't forget, you have to first listen English in TV and in stories in your phone, then start reading. You will become a very very good speaker in English, and you can speak good English and you can read very well also. Okay, to speak English, don't hesitate, don't follow grammar rules. And for reading also, start reading with the simple sentence or simple books, and you can very well, you can learn very quickly speaking and reading in English. You can watch also A to Z how to read English words in my YouTube channel. Watch it and start reading, and all the best to learn English. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, now subscribe to my channel. Go to Learn Easily, then go to videos and scroll down to watch more videos in my channel. Watch the videos in my channel and learn easily.